Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how I have been deep conditioning my hair recently. Remember, my hair is dry, damaged, colored, basically everything you can think of. I usually iron my hair twice a week, use a lot of hairsprays and dry shampoos, which makes my hair extremely dry. This basically calls for deep conditioning. And yes, excuse my attempt of hair commercial. Let's start with the video. Firstly, I will shampoo my hair, but before that, I will comb to remove the knots. I'm using a wooden comb. The reason of shampooing hair before the application of the mask is that I want to wash away the dirt from the scalp and hair so that the conditioner should get penetrated in them and I should get the best result possible. Now the mask I'm using in this video is Biotin Collagen hair mask from the brand St.Botanica. This mask is good for all hair type and is SLS, mineral oils and paraben free. Voila! The price of this mask is Rs 1199 for 300 ml. Now I will take out a good quantity of the product in a bowl to start the application. I will segregate my hair into small pieces and apply the mask into them one by one, focusing more on the ends, basically giving the love to each hair strand that they deserve. Once I'm done with the application, I like to massage my head for 10 to 12 minutes to relax my muscles. To get the best benefit of the hair mask, you need to apply some heat. What I like to do is soak head wrap in a hot water, squeeze the excess out and wrap my hair. I do this process 2 to 3 times, each time leaving it onto my head for 10 minutes. After that, I rinse my hair with a cold water, followed by the application of a hair serum. The one I'm using in this video is from the brand Paraben. I love the fragrance of this one, as you guys can see. Now I will blow dry my hair. I like to do it on a cold setting first and then with the hot to set my hair. Now you can see my hair looks nourished and is more stronger, fuller and thicker. I've been using this mask for more than a month and apply this once in a week. This hair mask is infused with vitamin B7 biotin hydrolyzed collagen to deeply condition, hydrate, strengthen and regenerate dry, damaged or dull hair. This makes my hair soft, smooth, healthy with a rich shine. I absolutely love this mask. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then do thumbs up. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. All the links are there in the description box. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.